All right, this is reading video number 3 for Monday. So you are going to be working on page 15 in your note catcher. And if you look up here, your sources are listed. You're going to be working in 3 different groups. Your groups are the same as your science groups from last week. Group 1 is Gervais, Colby, Janelle, William, Lena, Travis, and Brooklyn. And Eris, I'm sorry. Group 2 is Jaden, Brennan, Archer, Aliyah, Jonathan, Shariah, and Haley. I'm going to switch you out. And then my group 3 is Gabby, Jackson, Ashana, Jordan, Geraldine, Michaela, Journey, and Callie. So one more time. Group 1 is Gervais, Colby, Janelle, William, Lena, Travis, Brooklyn, and Eris. Group 2 is Jaden, Brendan, Archer, Aliyah, Jonathan, Shariah, Haley. And group 3 is Gabby, Jackson, Ashana, Jordan, Geraldine, Michaela, Callie, and Journey. I know I made a couple switches on those from those science groups, but that is what I want your groups to be right now. Group 1, you are going to be reading in your animal behavior book from page 22, starting at Escape Artist, so chapter 2, page 22, to page 26, all the way up to Startling a Predator on page 26. Group 2, you are going to start reading on page 49 at the scales paragraph. And you're going to read to page 52 all the way up to penetrating the armor. So you're going to stop here. In group 3, you are going to start at page 56 at Poisonous Prey. And go all the way to page 58 to Warning Colors. You'll stop at Warning Colors. So on your note catcher, you are going to write the section. So it might be, if you are in group 1, let me get to page 22 again, I'm sorry. If you're in group 1, it might be fleeing, and then write paragraph 2. And then what the gist of paragraph 2 is. I want you to write paragraph by paragraph what your gist is. You don't have a lot of paragraphs because you're just reading one section each. So section 1 should be paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. You can write it by P1, P2, or you can write the words out. But this is what I should see, and then straight across the way is your gist for that paragraph. And that goes for each section, each expert group. You're also going to think back to that last video that I just did on motion words. And using these same articles or these same parts in the book, you're going to turn to the back page of your research notebook. And based on your section, you're going to write words that describe how animals move. So whatever is in your section, that's what you're going to be writing about. Please make sure that you are ready to share out because we are going to be going through this tomorrow in class, on Tuesday in class. So you need to first do page 15. And then you need to go to the last page of the packet and do the motion words, which is page 24. And then you need to turn to page 22 in your notebook. And this is the main idea and then the supporting details based on your section. So page 22 has group 1 on it. Page 23 has group 2 up here and group 3 down here. Since all the other groups only have to do one main idea, I'm going to have group 1 only do one main idea as well. That's only fair. We will find the other main idea together as a class. So, you need to find those main ideas and their supporting details. Remember, the main idea is most generally the first sentence about what you are reading about. Your supporting details are explicit things from this text that you are reading, your expert group text, that support the main idea. Tell us why that's the main idea. Why isn't it something other than what the main idea is? So use those exact sentences, put them in your own words, paraphrase them, to go in and support those main ideas. So just to recap, you need to do page 15, which is the gist of each paragraph of your section. So that's after you read with your small group. Then you're doing page 24, which is the motion words. And then you're going to do pages 22 to 23, just your section. So if you're just group 2, you're only going to fill in groups 2 main idea. If you're just group 3, you're only going to fill in group 3's main idea. If you cannot work with your group, you will get sent back to your seat. So please make sure you're using your time wisely. You have a lot of work to get done today. So go ahead and wrap that up.